Hello friends, my name is Alina and you are watching my channel Alina Technical. Today I am going to present with you a review of a wonderful project, Beta Taxi project. If we buy it care and we benefit from it in the future. Today I will give a full review of how we can buy it. Before starting this video, I request you please subscribe my channels and also press bell icon for future updates. So first of all, video starts. Beta taxi token is a attractive and beautiful view is a बीटा टैक्सी टोकन इज़ अ वाइट पेपर्स आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं फेसबुक ट्विटर इंस्टाग्राम्स यूट्यूब एंड telegrams pairs. Beta taxi token is a icon is alive now join pre-sales. What is beta taxi project is the most attractive full view. Beta taxi project is a cryptocurrency payment taxi systems. Android, iOS and web apps are available. Beta taxi project aim to bring a new payment model to the taxi system in the changing and developing worlds. Beta Taxi project is a change your thinking and lifestyles. Beta Taxi is the best for future is a profit earn. Beta Taxi, what is Beta Taxi tokens means Beta Taxi how do work. Beta Taxi is the basic product of the Beta Taxi project. The online payment and service sectors is a more and more in our lives with the advancement of technology. Every day, the Beta Taxi Token project sets out to bring together this industry potential and make our lives easier with a blockchain-based digital payment method to bring cryptocurrencies to real life. The aim of Beta Taxi is to provide a payment system with the cryptocurrencies. Thanks to its system infrastructures, Beta Taxi token is a token that working on a Binance sport chains and trades to P2P peer-to-peer. Beta Taxi is a platform that can scale and facilitate trade between the customers and survivor service providers. Beta Taxi token is a BSC-based cryptocurrency that is a Binance Smart Chains networks. Thanks to Beta Taxi token is a users can pay taxi fees with cryptocurrencies that they own. Cryptocurrency Beta Taxi tokens may advisors, researchers, developers and consumers. How does Beta Taxi token work? Beta Taxi is a means Beta Taxi work कैसे करता है. Beta Taxi token is a payment platform होता है. It aimed that traditional payment systems adopt today technology and to manage and use for technologies is the best. Beta taxi tokens and to manage these payment systems from a center. Traditional payment system consist of price, money and debit cards. When you want to pay with a debit card, you can some make it through a centralized institutions or you may have to look for on ATMs to pay when you do not have a cash on you. When your taxi is a card from the Beta Taxi application. Application informations can be seen such as the destinations, alternative roads, times. In this way, the taxi drivers tokens talk them to their destinations without defrauding them, and the customers cannot net you with the taxi driver's payment event is made from within application. In this way, it is not possible to call the taxi unnecessary. Beta taxi tokens comes into the play right here, allowing you to pay cryptocurrencies thanks to the application or web browsers you download to your phone as well as the traditional payment systems, and this process takes place within a seconds. All these instructions are carried out on a Binance Smart Chains networks with the blockchain technology. You get rid of such small troubles that you might be thinking about while making a payment, and you reach your destinations safely as soon as possible. How is a Beta Taxi token meaning done or how to become a Beta Taxi token owners? Beta Taxi tokens can only be acquired by users who fulfill the conditions of participating and do not violate the rules in airdrops, references, core scales, pre-sales and sales process. After these transactions, it can be used crypto money exchange and sent to their wallets. Beta taxi tokens cannot be produce additionally and number of tokens and not be owners per million. The total supply beta taxi token is a 1 billion. You can follow us on a social media to participate in the pre-sales of beta taxi tokens, which will be listed on a large cryptocurrency. Beta taxi token details. Beta taxi tokens offer 5 million and sell soft cap मतलब public beta taxi token is a 5 million, hard cap 10 millions. Beta taxi token is a distributed beta taxi token scales. Token allocation forecast. Distribution funding applications 40% and 12 product development 40%, business development 12%, marketing 20%, and legal register regulation is a 10%, partners and investors 6%, operational 8%, contingency 4%. Read our documents. Here is in our full documents help to you understand about us is a white papers and on one pager. Our technology service में wallets is a 2 day 8745.44, मार्केट में 5.44, मार्केट टॉप 5 में होता है माई वॉलेट मार्केट टॉप 5 and 45% day month and week. Easy to buy and sell beta taxi tokens. The best taxi apps, easy to communicate, safe and secure. Beta tokens roadmaps is a 2020 November's idea 2020 December market research and 2021 January planning and team assembles 2021 Feb beta taxi token created 2021 Mars stock market interviews 2021 STI exchange negative negotiators and 2021 ST2 coin market and CoinGecko applied 2022 Q1 and 1 exchange contract signing 2022 Q1 first listening exchange 2022 Q2 second listening exchange 2022 Q3 third listening exchange 2022 Q4 fourth listening exchange 2023 Q1 publishing applications. Our roadmaps taxi goals taxi per daily taxi and taxi line taxi bolt uber scrub and olo partners frequently asked the questions below. We provided a beta taxi token is a cryptocurrency and few others. If you have any other questions please get in such using the contact from Blue. What is a beta taxi token? Beta taxi token is a basic product of the beta taxi project. The online payment and service sector is a more and more lives with the advancement of technology. Every day the beta taxi token project set out of a bring together in this industry potential and make our lives easier with a blockchain based digital payments method to bring cryptocurrency to real life. The aim of beta taxi provide a payment system with the cryptocurrencies thanks to its simple infrastructure. Beta taxi token is a token that working in the Binance smart chains and trades. Beta taxi token is a platform that can sell and facilitate trade between the customer and survive. Beta taxi token is a BSC-based cryptocurrency in the Binance smart chains. Thanks to beta taxi token, users can taxi fees and cryptocurrencies. Who can buy beta taxi tokens? How can I participate in the beta taxi token sales? Contact beta taxi token is the address. Join us at telegrams, your names, your mails, message and send. आप इसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं टेलीग्राम्स पर भी, इंस्टाग्राम पर भी, ट्विटर्स पर भी. So I hope like my videos friends. If my video is a good then like my video, subscribe to my channels and share. I will see you in the next videos and remember in a precious prayers. Take care.